The LowPro 2305 road plate is a replacement for steel plates. They are Hawk compliant and can be used in a carriageway. They are suitable to take up to 44-ton vehicle over a 1200mm trench span while also having a 2:1 safety factor. The LowPro 2305 is a 2-person lift, weighing only 65 kilos per section. It's available with easy lift handles which slot into the road plate to make moving them easy and seamless. The composite road plate is easy to install. Being a modular system, you are able to keep adding road plates to fit the length of the trench. The LowPro 2305 road plate linked together using male and female connectors. To install, place the road plate next to either the end or inner, angling the road plate to then slot in the male and female connectors. Once slotted in, the road plate can be placed down. Repeat this process until the open trench is completely covered using the yellow inner sections. Ensure the blue ends are bolted down as a minimum, also bolting down any inner section deemed necessary in your SSRA. These conform to the surface of the road and will create a ramped edge for vehicles driving over. The LowPro 2305 also has drop pins installed to every yellow inner. These drop pins lock the road plate in place once installed by confirming the edge of the trench, preventing lateral movement. They are gravity fed, so no need for any additional work. The drop pins, along with the LowPro wedges, male and female connectors, are fully replaceable with spare parts available to extend the life of your road plates. The LowPro 2305 road plate has key information molded into the anti-slip surface of the product, such as load rating, trench width, centerline and product weight.